This is how to operate a Roku smart TV. Simply press the button and this is what's going to happen. So we're going to click OK, and you're going to select your time for check-in and check-out. Let's say it's from 27th to the 1st. Click OK, this button, and you're entering into the guest mode. So now you're logged into your guest mode, and upon your checkout, it will automatically log you off from all of the apps that you signed in. But in case if you want to do it manually upon your checkout, you can always go to guest options and click sign out and clear info right there. Okay, click OK. Sign out now. Boom. That's it. Thank you.